Hello YouTube, this is Fate, and I'm just going to show you the fucking awesome sound that this Scorpion cam makes on Triumph TT600. Just turn it on. Are you ready for this shit? Are you ready? I'll just put the camera somewhere. Let's put it there for now. It's gonna blow your minds, people. Oh yeah. Now I bet you want to hear that near the exhaust, don't you? So we'll put the camera on the exhaust so you can hear its full power. And you can watch the ceiling at the same time. Oh, I took it out. Suspense. Can you feel suspense? Now that sounded hot. Bet you guys agree with me. Give me rates and comments, and if you think I'm a twat, subscribe. And get ready for the next part of the series. Not the series, the start of the first episode of Triumph TT dismantling series. Yeah, I've already taken the frowns. Anyway, toodles.